This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream incredibly creamy. To start, always prepare a high-quality base. Many recipes benefit from egg yolks, which add richness and help emulsify the mixture. Aim for a fat content between 14 and 20%, as this is crucial for a smooth mouthfeel. Finally, make sure your base is completely chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours, before it ever touches the ice cream machine. This initial preparation is key to preventing large ice crystals. The right ingredients are fundamental for creamy ice cream. Heavy cream and whole milk provide the necessary dairy fats, contributing significantly to that luxurious texture we all love. Sugar does more than just sweeten. It also acts as an anti-freeze, preventing large ice crystals from forming. Some recipes also benefit from a tiny amount of stabilizer, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon of cornstarch, to further enhance smoothness and body. Proper churning is where the magic happens. Ensure your ice cream machine's bowl is thoroughly frozen, ideally for 24 hours. Churn the mixture quickly, as this incorporates air and breaks up ice crystals as they form, resulting in a smoother texture. Remember not to overfill your machine. Leave about 1/4 of the capacity free for expansion. Once churned, the ice cream will be soft serve consistency, ready for its final freeze. After churning, the ice cream needs to ripen in the freezer. This means allowing it to firm up for at least 4 hours, or even overnight, to reach its ideal scoopable consistency. For storage, use a shallow, airtight container to minimize exposure to air, which can cause freezer burn. When you are ready to enjoy it, let the ice cream sit out for 5 to 10 minutes. This slight softening period brings out its full creamy texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.